most of us, it has been a hot and dry Tuesday, not quite a toasty Tuesday. In fact, high temperatures today were cooler than they were for your Monday. Saw a little bit of some rain across western portions of our area. And just a second ago, saw some lightning on our Abilene sky tracker. No lightning at this particular moment. We are starting to see some storms across western portions of the big country. Activity we saw in the Concho Valley that sparked a flash flood warning in Reagan County. That activity has really started to dissipate. One little thunderstorm northwest of Snyder. That's the lightning that was on the Abilene sky tracker just a second ago. And even in the last 10 or 15 minutes, this thunderstorm has lost a lot of its strength. It's because the sun has set across the region, and I really expect this thunderstorm to die out in the next hour or so. We'll be dry overnight, maybe wake up with some clouds Wednesday morning, similar to what we saw for your Tuesday. And Wednesday afternoon, similar to today with that peak daytime heating, we might see some thunderstorms form across western portions of the Concho Valley and the big country. Like today, most of us are going to be staying completely dry. We have that ridge of high pressure over us. That's what's quashing, that's what's limiting the rain chances for most of us across the region. Western parts of the region, that's where we'll be monitoring for those potential rain chances. And I can't totally rule that out for your Thursday. I think it's more likely Wednesday though. I think Thursday, most of the activity going to be staying to our west in the big country. This is a map of the heat index. That tells you what the air feels like based off the humidity and the wind. And temperatures really aren't feeling a whole lot hotter than they are than the thermometer shows. Feeling like we're in the mid to low 80s across the area. Feels like 86 Breckenridge. Feeling like 75 in Big Spring. That's thanks to all the rain that's been falling across western parts of the area. Thermometer shows a temperature of 82 right now in San Angelo. That's why we have no heat alerts in effect for the Fox West Texas viewing area. By the end of the week though, we are going to start to see temperatures increase. I think we'll be in the low triple digits in the big country. And the National Weather Service issues a heat advisory when that temperature gets above 105 degrees or the heat index, so we'll be watching it closely. Regardless of if that specific metric gets hit though, it's going to feel hot regardless. After what's been a not terribly hot summer so far. Yesterday was the second triple-digit day Abilene's seen so far. The first one was way back on June 8th, so only 2 triple-digit days in the key cities. Pretty remarkable. 3 only so far in San Angelo. The last triple-digit day San Angelo Mathis Airport recorded all the way back in the month of May, so it's definitely not been a horrible summer, at least by West Texas standards. If you plan on walking your dog tomorrow morning, the best time to do it is definitely going to be before that sun really starts to heat up the ground. Always got to make sure you're taking care of our furry friends. We'll be waking up in the mid-70s tomorrow. About 75 degrees at 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm officially going with a low of 74 tomorrow in San Angelo. High of 96, again, that 10% chance of rain. High of 99 both for your Thursday and Friday in the Concho Valley. I think we'll be staying in the double digits for at least the next 7 days. Big country though, I'm expecting to see triple-digit temperatures Thursday and Friday, maybe some heat advisories. At this point, no, just know it is going to be hot, so make sure you're drinking lots of water. You can find the full forecast on our website and the latest by following me, meteorologist Britton Musall, on social media. Bert?
On Weather